Hello everyone, this is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Cao. This problem is from 2017 Aime1 problem number 8. The problem says, two real numbers a and b are chosen independently and uniformly at random from the interval 0, 75. Let O and P be 2 points on the plane with OP equals 200. Let Q and R be on the same side of line OP, such that the degree measures of angle POQ and POR, angle POR, are A and B respectively, and angle OQP and angle ORP are both right angles. So here you see right angles. The probability that QR less than or equal 100 is equal to m over n, blah blah. Find m plus n. So right angle, and so this problem, the main idea, first I think about, I want to draw a circle, right? And OP equals 200. And we've got two right angles, so OP will be the diagram. That's the circle. So OP is OP, right? Is 200. So it means if this is the center of the circle, so the radius is 100 and is 100, and it let us less than or equal to 100. Now A and B, O, P, and let's just draw Q and R be on the same. So we've got OQ, OQP, and ORP, for example. OQP and ORP, for example here, right? ORP. So that's degree is A, and this angle degree is B, right? Measures A and B. POR, that's B. POQ, POQ, POR, right? And we connect QR, right? This chord. So, and we want to this less than or equal to 100. So this problem we can use draw all of them in a circle. That's the best way, I think. So because it tells us this is a 90 degree. So 90 degree, we will think about this diagram. Diameter. No, this is a diagram. This diameter, right? So, and what's the relation between this to the QR and this angle A and B? So if I say this is 100, then if we connect this, let me see, C, point C, that's the center of the circle. And this one, that's a radius, that's 100. This CR also 100, this 100. So this is a equilateral triangle, so it's 60 degree. And the arc also will be 60 degree. I mean the minor arc, QR, right? If it's less than and equals 60 degree, and it will be satisfy QR less than or and equal 100, right? Now the problem becomes a little more easier, because this degree, so I mean the corresponding arc about that is 2a. So 2a minus 2b less the absolute value. If it's less than or equals 60 degree, it will be satisfied. we just find the probability of about this one, right? And A and B, all of them are for the interval 0 or 75. So how to get this one? Then we will solve this to find the probability 2A minus 2B. No degree, less than 60. Okay, A and B is from the interval 0, 75. So divided by 2, A minus B, absolute value less than or equal 30. So, and we will not so easily, we can convert this is two form. I mean this, if A is greater than B, so one is A minus B less than greater than 630, and another possible B minus A is less than or 30 less than 30, right? So if we want to find the probability for this now, how to get this one? I convert it to X and Y. X minus Y less than 30, and Y minus X less than 30, and X and Y, all of them 75. So how to get the probability of this one? Of course, this is a line, X minus Y equals 30 and Y minus X equals 30. So we will get, I will draw like here. Look at here. And this is 75, right? 0, that's original point. Of course, 0, 0. X is 75, and Y is 0. And this point, let us say 0, 75, and this is 75, 75, right? Now, from this one, X minus Y, the line of this one is less than this, so less than 30. Then we will get Y is, we can get is side plus Y. Y is greater than, and greater than or equals X minus 30, right? So we will draw the line Y equals X minus 30. So when X equals 0, Y is negative, right? Negative 30. X 0, Y will be here. And so when Y equals 0, and X will be 30. X will be 30. So X is 30. So we will get, so this is, hold on, for this one 45, and this is also 45 because the slope of this is 1. So I got one line. Then another one, Y minus X less than or 30, so Y less than or equal X plus 30. So Y equals X plus 30. I will draw a line of this one. So the y-intercept when X equals 0, Y will be 30, right? When X equals 0, Y will be 30. And when Y equals 0, X will be negative. So and when Y equals 45, when X equals 45, so it will be like this line, right? X is 45 and Y will be 75. X 45, Y will be 35, and that's when it will be like this one, negative 30. We don't need this one. So the probability for this one is the area of this one occupied the total of this rectangle, right? So we can easily to get the probability of this one. because the total area is 75 times 75. Now we just need to use the 75 times 75 is the total to minus 2 of this, right? That's 45, that's 45. I mean the length for this, the length for this also. So 2 minus 1 is 1/2 times 45 times 45. Now we have 2. Here is the first one and the second one. So we have 2 times this one. That's the probability of them, m over n equals this one. And we will got 75 squared minus 45 squared, right? Over 75 times 75. So what's this? 75 plus 45 times 75 minus 45 over 75 times 75. So it's 120 times 30 over 5 times 15 times 5 times 15. So, and then we will get divided by 5 is 24 divided by 5 is 6. So then we can divide it by 3. 3 here is 8, and here is 5, here is 2, and divided by 3 here is 5. So final answer is 16 over 25. That's the probability. So m plus n is 6 plus 25 equals 0.41, right? That's the final answer. We are done. Okay, this problem, in summary, it tests us a lot of basic knowledge and skill. So first, the most important, from the meaning we should get an idea to solve this problem in a circle, because 2 right triangles and and you easily to get QR. You will think about the chord, and you will 2 right angle, you will think about the diameter, right? With them we got A and B and the degree of the arc, and then we will know the chord, right? Second step is how to find the probability. The 2 numbers, the range is 0 and 75, and we know the absolute difference is 30. It includes 2 possibles, right? And the total area minus this one, and we will get the probability. So it's not so hard, but I think this is a good problem. I hope you can enjoy it. And from here we just practice some geometry probability, right? Okay, hope you can enjoy it. Thank you.